All right, Kevin, what are your personal thoughts on the launch? Bummed about the X, but I understand it. I can't get mad. I can't get mad because it's like, dude, you're going to bury. Think of all the stuff they launched last night. All new Spark. Not all new, but half new Spark. Totally upped tricks. So the tricks is really, something special. You got tricks mode. It's got, rowdier tune. It's got, GoPro mounts and all the redesign stuff. And it's a one-seater. All right. I understand it. I'm not mad. All right. I'm not bitter about it. It makes sense. I think there's product strategy here. All right. Because let's say things cool in a year or 2 years and they go, oh, we got to throw some coal on the fire. And they come out with an X. Okay. That makes sense. All right. So little bummed, but I understand. 325, surprised. Surprised that the engine was changed as much as it was. That's a big deal. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. I was not expecting the return of the GTR X, especially as a 300. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the GTR X. That was one of my favorite skis. One of my favorite Sea-Doos, to be honest. To be really, really honest, GTR X is one of my favorite Sea-Doos. So I'm glad that one's back. Nothing electric. Cool. Electric is, guys, it's a gimmick. Electric is to keep the EPA off of their ass. Electric is to keep the invasive governments off of their ass. And Yamaha, Cowie ain't going to do it. Yamaha and Sea-Doo, especially Sea-Doo, even though they have a GTI that's a prototype, they're going to draw that one out as long as humanly possible because it's a loss. Look at what's happening with the Ford Lightning. The CEO of Ford went on a road trip with the Ford Lightning and was like, this thing's a pile of shit. And he said so. The CEO of Ford, not CEO, the president of Ford, went on a road trip and he was like, this truck sucks. This thing sucks. Electric is a gimmick, especially when there's no infrastructure for it. So I do not see anyone running to make an electric Spark until there is a gun pressed up against their temple. I don't see it happening. That just might be me. That's the gospel according to Kevin Shaw. Yeah, whatever. But when Yamaha comes out and says, we went green and we made plastics out of plants and we got rid of all that scary lead. And then Sea-Doo goes, yeah, blow it out your ass. We're making 325 horsepower. We're lighting our hair on fire and going freaking 3 seconds to 0 to 60. I'm like, holy shit, is Sea-Doo Dodge now? Are they making 8-second freaking wheel standing drag racers now? When did this happen? So yeah, I got to give it to Sea-Doo. All right, I got to give it to Sea-Doo on this one, guys. Yamaha's over here going like, we want to save the seal. We need to make things out of plants. And then these guys are like, F that noise. Let's freaking go fast, dude. Freaking Sea-Doo went full Ricky Bobby. I'm like, I want to go fast. That's bitching. Give it to Sea-Doo, dude. Sea-Doo for the win on this one. Sorry. Explorer Pro going supercharged. I got a big laugh out of it last night. Just because the whole thing was like, oh, we want fuel mileage. Oh, we want to go long distances. La, la, la. And then it's like, screw that. He can bring some extra gas. Let's go supercharged. I'm like, all right. But then James just goes, watch out. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Which I thought was awesome. I like that. What else? Switch Limited makes sense. I kind of wish the limited was available on the smaller units too, like on maybe the midsize. I think that'd be cool, just because it's a package, and I would love to see that premier level package be available at least on the midsize. We'll see if that happens, but I like what they came out with. I think it's good. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.